Hello all, this is again Dr. Mayur Mahajan. There are so many homeopathic doctors who are in this group now. They need to know who is Dr. Mohanty sir. I'm sure that every HHFM listening to this video will definitely recollect all those wonderful memories, what we have gathered with in seminars, webinars, classrooms. He was the man who was used to always make us laugh, giggle, enjoy philosophically, spiritually, and he was so lively. He used to just move from one place to another. The whole crowd was in awe like this. And Mohanty sir, we miss your knowledge, the understanding of a rubric, the demonstration. That was ultimate. We still cherish all those wonderful moments as a delegate in seminars. This time I would definitely recollect some beautiful rubrics and remedies, what he had taught us. In my videos, I always utter his name regarding disconsidered of ignitia. He always used to say, ignitia का तुम लोग यार सिर्फ आंखों में पहचान जानो यार, अगर वो आप पहचान नहीं पाओगे तो कुछ नहीं. The money sewed up in clothes of Calibro, a master class, I tell you. The clinging with restlessness of Karbovich. Definitely one by one I will be sharing all these cases with you all. One of the best I have ever, the metaphorical understanding of a rubric, and that what? Desires for solitude to practice masturbation. The way he has taught Buffo, amazing. Amazing Buffo. One fine evening he had conducted in a seminar, he had taken a rubric, mild, yielding and affectionate. He clubbed all those three rubrics at a time, and whatever remedies came on the clipboard, he directly started distinguishing one remedy from the other. That was the seminar which I am sure every HHFN will recollect this, and they won't miss this mild, yielding, affectionate, the session. That was a session which no one can forget. There are so many beautiful memories, but I need to tell you there are so many beautiful remedies he had evolved. So this video will be a tribute to our master Mohanty sir, who had taught us so many beautiful remedies. He was the one who used to love teaching like anything. Nothing comes in between his students, his homeopathy and teachings. Can you imagine? There was a time that Mohanty sir and Rao sir, there was a seminar on Saturday, and Mohanty sir landed at around 11:30 night in Thane, and Rao sir and the whole gang was ready to receive him. And Mohanty sir, everyone told, sir, और एक session होना चाहिए ना इधर. And believe me guys, 1:30 AM in the midnight, we were listening to what this master was talking about, some rubrics, some remedies, some cases, wonderful cases he had, wonderful cases. So the remedy today, what I would like to take, Hepar Sulf. And we never imagined that this remedy will prescribe just like this. The one before I start with Hepar Sulf, I would like to tell you coffee, beautiful example what I would like to tell you. The way he was thinking. See the thought process. Coffee is very strong. We have a rubric in coffee, Diligent Strong is what he has demonstrated in the cases. What did he say? The most strongest part of the body is what? Teeth. And at the same time, the most sensitive part of the body is also teeth. The most strongest. You can hold anything with your teeth. At the same time, if your teeth is not right, the most sensitive, you just can't bear a drop of warm water or a drop of cold water. You cannot bear it. It is so sensitive. That sensitivity, hence it is the best remedy for toothache. The way he used to connect the mind, body and soul axis was amazing. This physical toothache he connected with the metaphorical understanding of the sensitivity. Weeping at the slightest neglect. He had explained us, weeping with the slightest neglect. Single coffee at that time. I don't know now how many remedies are there, but that time there was only single remedy, coffee. Sleep. And at the same time, Diligent Strong he is. See the mind, body and soul axis, how he used to connect. Amazing. So I'll start with this remedy of Hepar Sulph. I would like to tell you something about Hepar Sulph first, because I was really wondering what is this Hepar Sulph. When I was not in applied mind system, when I was not used, I am not used to this mind section of the repertory. Hepar Sulph I used to, whenever there is an abscess, Hepar Sulph. Whenever there is inflammation with pus, Hepar Sulph. But what is this Hepar Sulph about? I was really wondering. One seminar, I got to learn about this beautiful ultimate remedy of Hepar Sulph. So when I attended a seminar of this Hepar Sulph from Modi sir, and I came back and I got to know that अरे ये तो ignition ही Hepar Sulph है. Okay, so I'll tell you that small case of Hepar Sulph which I used to give ignition and how Hepar helped. Very interesting. It was a case of a woman, okay, a 36-37 years old woman. She had a problem of intense neck pain and her eyes used to be inflamed always. The chronic conjunctivitis, always chronic conjunctivitis. What? Every change of atmosphere, temperature, every change of situations in life, eyes used to become red hot. Okay. So I used to, whenever there was any problem in her life, her eyes used to get that red, bloody red, right? Bloody red. So I was there. What happened? What happened actually? So I'll tell you one incident. See, whenever you have your own cases, whenever your own patients, every time they take medicine, they feel better, they go off. Okay. Then again, some incidents happen and they come to you again. So this is what was the incidents, I'll tell you. That time before this incident, I had given her 200 Hepar Sulph. But now I'll tell you, I could recollect the whole case. What happened was, I'll tell you. This Hepar Sulph woman came and said, what happened? Now what happened? I asked her, now what happened? This time what happened? She was like, Chodo na doctor, dawa do na. And her eyes were, I'll tell you, I'll show you the eyes. This is the genius of Modi sir. Modi sir used to always tell us, okay, you have to understand the remedy through eyes. And this was the example what he said. He looked at me, she looked at me in this way. And the eyes were like angar, angar. The word what he used to say about Hepar Sulph, I tell you. You'll come to know how we used to learn a remedy here by these masters. Amazing stories. Angar was the word. Second word was Dabang. Dabang of Salman Khan's, that picture Dabang. Hepar Sulph is a Dabang woman, was his words. Master, love you. The word Dabang means itself, what does it mean? Dabang, tearing bas. When I asked her, अभी अब क्या हो गया? He looked at me, छोड़ो ना डॉक्टर साहब, दवा दे दो, छोड़ो छोड़ो डॉक्टर, छोड़ो, आप दवा दे दो बस। तुम्हारे मेरे पे क्यों गुस्सा हो रहे हो? आई आस्क्ड दिस वुमन, आप मेरे पे क्यों गुस्सा हो रहे हो? मैं आपसे ऊपर थोड़ी गुस्सा किया, मैं आपको बोला सिर्फ दवा दे दो बस, आपके ऊपर गुस्सा किया क्या? सॉरी मुझे मालूम नहीं था। श्रीकिंग हेल्प फॉर स्लीपिंग, ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं है पर्सन कि श्रीकिंग हेल्प फॉर, ऐसा कुछ। अरे बाप रे। सेकंड, और क्या हो गया? और कुछ नहीं यार, मेरे को एक काम करो डॉक्टर साहब, मेरा दिमाग आउट है, मेरे को क्या हो गया? मेरा दर्द हो रहा है, मेरा गुस्सा आ रहा है, मेरे को छोड़ो, फिर से मत उगलो मुझसे। क्या हो गया यार? देखो डॉक्टर साहब, हमारे नेबर्स हैं, ओके, हमारी शादी, मेरे नेबर्स के बेटी की शादी थी, और जब मैं कर मुझे खुजली है ना डॉक्टर साहब, मुझे खुजली है ना, क्या हो गया? तो डॉक्टर साहब, मेरी बेटी जैसी थी वो, मेरे को लगा मेरी बेटी की शादी है, और इसलिए मैंने सब किया, पूरा स्वीट से लेके तीखा, नाश्ता पानी, उनके गेस्ट का पूरा घर, सारे गेस्ट मेरे घर पे थे, उनका खाना, शादी के 3 दिन पहले का खाना सब मैंने किया। और जब शादी के दिन आया ना, उस दिन 2 होते हैं, रिसेप्शन होता है और एक शादी का एक मुहूर्त होता है। तो मुझे मुहूर्त पे बुला नहीं, मुझे रिसेप्शन पे बुलाया, जैसे लोगों को बुलाते हैं वैसा। इतना दर्द हुआ, यानी मैंने, आपने मुझे अकेला आपने मुझे दूर समझा ना। See the way a person gets involved in a relationship, over involvement, and once you do over, and if you not get that reciprocation, you get irritated, irritability, pain during. What is that pain? Mental pain, frustrated. तो फिर मैं, why did you vented out your anger, your irritability? Why? छोड़ो ना डॉक्टर साहब, अपनी लड़की है, क्या करेगा? I'll tell you the words of Monty sir. This is a tribute to Monty. Every single word will be repeated by him. He said the main cause anger suppressed of himself is because of his cowardice nature. Sometimes, not always, because the person, I'll tell you the other side. He thinks नहीं है, छोड़ यार, छोड़ यार, अगर मैं बहुत बोल दिया ना तो पूरा रिलेशनशिप टूट जाएगा, कट हो जाएगा। Delusion wants to set things on fire was the word of Monty sir. Want to set things on fire का मतलब क्या है? जला के राख कर दूंगा। तो क्या करेगा? छोड़, चुप बैठ, छोड़। Wants to set things on fire, but he can't is very important. Where he had said कि नहीं, the rubric is ऐसा है कि he wants to set things on fire in bracket, but he can't. This is the poor feeling of a person. छोड़ो ना डॉक्टर, इग्निशिया में मैं इग्निशिया क्यों दे रहा था? Why was I prescribing इग्निशिया? We have a rubric, mildness bears all our symptoms without any outrage, plus ailments from anger suppressed, plus irritability, pain during, plus sensitive to moral impress. छोड़ो ना डॉक्टर, बड़े क्या करेंगे? छोड़ो। इतने मदर इन लॉ इतने अच्छे नहीं है, क्यों? छोड़ो ना डॉक्टर साहब, बड़े लोगों के मुंह में नहीं लगता हूँ। वो मेरी उम्र की होती ना सर, हाथ तोड़ के हाथ में देती थी, द दबांग के पास। छोड़ो डॉक्टर साहब, बड़े नहीं बोलते। But where here the difference between ignitia and impartial, again Monty sir's words. Remember, ignitia, when the patient says the complaints about the family, there is grief in her eyes, and when impartial complains about the family members to the physician, there is anger in the eyes. Angar, the eyes are red hot like this, and ignitia in grief. The only difference, can you imagine? this man. The only difference is grief and anger. The Dabang style. हाथ काय को लगाए रे? मोदी सर, हाथ काय को लगाए रे? इधर. This is the way he taught Hipparchal. A woman, imagine a woman walking on the road, and if anybody touches or misbehaves this woman of Hipparchal, इधर हाथ क्या को लगाए? इधर तेरी तो माँ की तेरी. आजा, अभी हाथ लगा. This is the Dabang of Hipparchal. These are the words by our masters. What a thought process. What an elegance of clear-cut differentiating the rubrics with respect to the remedies was amazing. Ignitia grief, Hipparchal angar, anger. Both angar as well as anger. Defines. Danger, no sense of danger. A woman lands in a train, male compartment, someone misbehaves, she doesn't care where she is. Hey, क्या रे? किसको बोला? तेरी तो आजा. Hipparchal. The Dabang. Ignitia will. She's also defined, but she will not do this. Hipparchal, go ahead. Hey, क्या रे? बोल. Hipparchal. There are so many things to discuss of Hipparchal, but right now still I am just, whenever I am trying to say anything about Hipparchal, every single word of Modi sir is just revolving around my mind. So, and what I know, I'm trying to give you the gist of the case, the case also. Reciprocation, Hipparchal also wants, Ignitia also wants. He had given a formula: irritability, pain during, plus sensitive to moral impressions. Only two remedies that time, Ignitia and Hipparchal. One is grief and one is angar. One is anger. One is poor. Hippar is poor. Why I am trying to tell you this? You need to know his genius also. What he had, contributed in this mind section of remedy. We need to know because there are so many doctors who are new in this HHF field book, HHF field Facebooks, telegrams and everything. You need to know what his contribution all about. Next video, again I will talk about Hipparchal, the whole understanding of Hipparchal, okay, the cases and analysis, evaluation, rubrics, understandings, differentiations, everything will take. What is abscess of Hipparchal, that will be focused upon. How he used to understand Hipparchal, understand a remedy. Hipparchal will be one of the examples how we used to learn remedy from Montesquieu. This will be a tribute. So, Master, I won't say I'm missing you. You're always here with me. So, thank you all and love you all.